Right, good day everyone. It's Griz out with Taffy in tow on a very gravelly cheddar gorge. Second ride of the day. The morning ride to work was so much fun. It felt half done after having to load the bike in the back of the van and bring a van home because I've got to start work Monday. So yeah, let's get out, do some more riding, I thought. So I've got Taffy in tow. I've not got full cameras set up, sadly. I've got the 360 on the back, don't know how that's looking. I've got the Sony on as always. I've got my GoPro, but I've not got Taffy any cameras because we didn't plan it and I'm rubbish. So I apologise for that, guys. We have got lots of cameras for Taffy, but we've yet to set them up on our new helmet, so we need to get around to doing that. I get so preoccupied doing everything else that I'm not doing the most basic things like setting up cameras. But there we go, out for another ride. And what a beautiful, stunningly hot day it is as well. It's just super baking and just too good for sitting at home when we've got this 916 ready for use. We've got to sort Taffy's bike out. She needs some tyres. She does need some tyres quite a lot. So yeah, I think she's riding a bit more gingerly. Fucking idiot. I needed that. Sorry, Taffy. I needed to just open her up, give her a bit. Back to being sensible. Sensible me. You okay? Mm-hmm. Comfortable?
It's not about, yeah, it's not bad when you're on the bike.
Got your new leathers on?
Yeah.
What's with these? What's with that? What's with the body armour as well? Come on. We've had this lockdown for all this time. Oh, come on then. If you're going to go then, let's go. We've had this lockdown. There's all this pressure, all this stress. Look, come on, I'll give you bloody slow. I'll give you. How are you, Taffy? Yeah. We're still married.
Barely got into the seat.
Still married.
Hey, just.
Oh dear.
Because it's true.
It's funny because it's true. Your leathers are a bit tight.
Yeah.
My leathers are really tight as well, hence I'm not wearing them. Yeah. How does it feel to be back on two wheels? Good. Yeah. I was just saying, sorry we didn't sort out any cameras for you today. No. We've been totally rubbish, haven't we? Mm. Or I've been totally rubbish. What can I do? Busy day. Yeah. Busy day. Shall we ride on?
Yeah. That sounds good.
Cool.
Ride on.
Let's ride. The Cate, yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, it really is lovely. How use your tyres at the moment?
All the attention to your bike.
Really? No, the tyres are lovely. I'm just getting used to them.
Yeah, a lot of junk coming my way.
Oh, sorry.
Take some half a mile behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New rug. I thought it was a dead sheep.
Oh.
Okay. Right. Where should we go?
On the road.
On the road?
On the road.
The road to nowhere? Do you want to go out to Wells, or do you just want to take a route and go?
You can go Wells, I guess.
Wells.
If you don't get lost.
Okay. I don't get lost. Right.
I'm following you after all.
Yeah. Okie dokie. See you in a bit. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Yeah.
No 5. Too slow. Get in. Photo. Want a photo? You get a photo. Bosh. Bish and bosh. Yo. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah. Huh?
Super dusty.
Needs a dusting. It's dirty already, isn't it? Mine's covered in dust already.
Yeah.
The back wheel's covered.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, super dusty.
You want photo?
Cool.
Photo of me?
Photo of you. Sit on the bike. Visor down.
Down. No face.
Proper Instagram. Yay. Yay. Oh, I didn't bring the tripod. We could have done couples Instagram pictures. I think we'll have to make a vlog at one point of just doing couples Instagram photos and just strike lots of different poses, but do it on video. Huh? Just stay still. Stay still.
You want to feel like look cool, like
Yeah, well,
in the distance,
it's
yeah.
difficult for you, but bosh. Sultry picture, your top's undone.
Oh no!
Do you want to get a picture of me? Look at my alcoholic's tummy. It's the moon. I'm a fat guy on a Ducati. Look at me. Jesus. Thank you. I swear this bike is faster. Feels quicker. Maybe it's just because I've not rode for so long. Probably that. So good, so bloody good to get out on 2 wheels. So damn good. So really needed this. So needed this. Wow, first time I've actually come in anywhere into a town at all. Everything's like, well, there's a Chinese takeaway if that's open, but oh yeah, all the pubs are closed, all the shops are closed, everything's empty. Goodfellows, what's that? I don't know, cafe? Maybe do takeaways or something. So we're in Wells. This is the Wells Cathedral. It's as good a place as any to come when you're in Wales. Fudge Pantry. I just realised we've got all the way home and I didn't even put an ending on it. I'm totally rubbish. I just got totally absorbed in the ride.
Yeah, it was good.
It was nice, wasn't it? Right, that's enough for today. Thank you, Taffy, for coming out with us, me, and entertaining the troops. Yes, thank you. I feel much happier inside now.
You do.
Do you?
I feel amazing.
Do you? Great. Right, let's go in and get drunk.
Okay.
Catch you on the next one, peeps. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.